All right, so let's do this crazy hard look, right? So I struggled with this so bad, y'all, but the base at least it was hitting, okay? So I did this little new technique where I do like all my concealer and contour first, then lay on my foundation afterwards, and it was hitting. I was scared in the first half, baby, but it turned out good or whatever. So with the eyes, you already know I used the Beat Down palette. Y'all see the pigment, y'all see what's going on, okay? I will tell you with these eyes, I was so ready to quit and wipe this off, y'all, and I haven't felt like that in a long time. But you're your worst critic. You gotta continue, you gotta throw it out because you'll see your growth. I'm gonna try this look again down the line and I'm gonna kill it, okay? Because I mean, it turned out cute in the low lights or whatever, but I mean, it was messy. Like, y'all know, I am all for some perfection, some neatness, and all of that, and it was not hidden. But you know what? It's okay. You'll see your growth. Don't give up, sis. Don't wipe it off. Look how pretty this looks at the end. Period. Okay? Okay, a little makeup therapy, something real cute and simple. So basically, like, what has Deb been up to? For my 1 year anniversary of my business, we got over 1,400 orders in a matter of like 2 hours. So Deb's been working on that. Okay, I have been packaging with my other employees constantly. Like, it's such a blessing. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, so grateful to God. Like, seriously, I was really just trying to find my lace during this whole video while I'm editing. Like, wow, that's scalp, baby. I've been trying to work on my time management lately, with especially owning my own business now. It's like you want to stay consistent, you know what I mean? Like, this is what I started doing. I need to post more, so more looks coming, y'all. Thank y'all for being so patient and supporting me. I love y'all so much.